Today I am going to show you how to create Zack style cinematic shorts using 100% free AI tools. No money, no tools, no editing experience. People are building viral TikTok and YouTube shorts channel with this method right now. And after this video you will know how to do it too. If you don't know Zack TV, he is one of the biggest creator in shorts game. He has a massive team animators, designer, editors, and he spent around $3,000 per video. Their strategy has earned 53 billion views. Absolute respect, bro. But let's be real. Most of us don't have $3,000 to spend on a 60-second video. I don't, and you probably don't either. So instead of complaining, I decided to rebuild this entire style using free AI tools. People are using free AI tools to make these videos, and I will show you how to make these videos free AI tool. Let's go step number 1. So step number 1, we need a script or idea. The first thing you need is a hooked idea. Something emotionally real, something that's make people stop scrolling. Instead of guessing ideas, use my process. I've linked a free document in the description with every prompt and tool I use. Open it and copy prompt 1. Paste it into Chatgpt. This prompt generates 10 short form video ideas based on real event, real stories, and real emotions. Pick the one that hits hardest. That's your video. Now copy prompt 2. This prompt does two things. Write the full cinematic script and generate visual prompts for every scenes. Pick a viral short from Zack films, copy the link, paste it into a free transcript etc. Get the full text or script. And now don't copy it. Paste that transcript into Chatgpt and use my rewrite prompt. It keeps the same pacing and flow but turns it into a completely original script. Then use the second part of the prompt to generate cinematic scenes description, lighting, mood, camera angles, everything. Now step number 2. Now we turn script into visuals. Take the first scene prompt and paste it into a Gemini and apply the nano banana options. In seconds, your first cinematic image is ready. Repeat this for every scene. Now here's the step number 3, voiceover. Paste your script into 11 labs. Choose a voice that fits the story. Calm, deep, dramatic, and generate. You will get studio quality voice over in seconds. Now step number 4. Now we bring images into life. Upload each image into Grok under the image tab. Even without a prompt, it starts animating. But add a short camera movement description for better results. Slow cinematic zoom, that's it. And also you can get 10 to 20 clips per day for free. Do this for every scene. So this is the final step, editing. So if you don't know how to edit a video, I will tell you, bro. So open CapCut, drop all Grok clips into the timeline. Add your voiceover and align each scene perfectly. Add a smooth transitions, caption for retention, subtitle plus background music. And that's it. You just create a high quality cinematic video using a free AI tools. So if this video helped you, hit the like and subscribe button and comment below what type of AI videos you want